Hey, what's up guys? I just swapped out my old bulky security light for this new modern LED sconce, and it instantly made the front of my house feel so much better and more high-end. It's just one of those quick upgrades that really changes the whole vibe right away. And what impressed me the most is that at night it gives off a really warm, soft glow instead of that harsh blue light that you usually see outside. It's comfortable to look at, but still bright enough to light the walkway and make sure the entry feels safe. And the installation was super simple. Just went and shut off the power, removed the old fixture, and disconnected all the wires. Then I mounted the new bracket, connected the black, white, and ground wires, and made sure that the mounting bracket and the fixture itself was grounded by using the green screw, and then tucked all the wires back in the box. I held the fixture in place with one hand and used my other hand to lock down the decorative screws. So from start to finish, it took me under about 20 minutes. And during the day, it looks really nice on my house because it has a nice sleek design that sits tight and close to the house, and the matte black finish looks really nice against my brick. It just looks nice and modern and blends in instead of sticking out awkwardly. At night, it feels different than most porch lights. The glow is downcast, so it lights the wall and ground where you need it without throwing glare everywhere. It also meets dark sky friendly standards, which is a bonus, I guess, if that's important to you where you live. What I like most about it is that it feels much more expensive than it actually is. It's sturdy, looks modern, and I didn't need an electrician or any special tools to get it installed. And so if you're interested, in the box you get the fixture with the bracket already attached to it, plus the screws, the wire nuts, and a couple extra decorative caps with gaskets. All you need is a screwdriver and some wire strippers, and then you're ready to do your install. The light itself is IP65 waterproof at 3000K. It draws about 17 watts and puts out about 1600 lumens of warm light. And since it has an integrated LED, you don't have to mess around with replacing bulbs. So if you've been thinking about replacing your old outdoor light fixture, this is one of those upgrades that doesn't take much time or money and makes a huge difference in style and function.